So in today's video, I decided to film a day in my life because I go back to school in just a few days. So today is really my day to pack because I've packed a little bit, but I haven't packed that much, and I go back to school, like I said, in just a few days. So today is really my day to really start packing everything up and getting ready to leave. So I thought I would film today with you guys and do that. So right now it's around 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna go ahead and go make a smoothie for breakfast. So yeah, let's go have some breakfast. I've been having Daily Harvest recently and I'm so obsessed. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this smoothie. It's the strawberry and peach. I love how easy this is because all you do is just fill the top with water. It already has all the ingredients here that are listed in the back, and then put in a blender and you're good to go. Yeah, I think the strawberry and peach is definitely my favorite one out of the other ones I've tried. And if you guys want to try it yourselves, I do have a discount code. It's Monroe 25 to get $25 off your first order, just in case you guys do want to try Daily Harvest for yourselves. But yeah, I'd highly recommend the strawberry and peach. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and then we'll go ahead and start packing. Alright guys, so I'll walk you through what I already have done. Basically, if you guys saw my pack with me video, this is all the clothes I'm going to take with me to school that's on this hanger, apart from bottoms and t-shirts like that. So I put all of that on this rack. And then this stuff I'm just going to keep here and not take it with me. So I already put all my shoes in this bin. So this bin has all the shoes I'm taking, apart from my slippers and then shoes I'm going to wear on the day of move-in. So that one's done. And then on this bottom bin, I've already put all of my t-shirts and pajamas all in there. And then that bin has all my bottoms, like pants, shorts, skirts, workout clothes, whatever, the rest of it. So I have this other bin to put other things in. So I'm going to try and see what I should put in here. But I think I'm going to put all these clothes that are on this rack into a suitcase. So I always recommend keeping all your clothes that are going to be hung up in your closet on the hanger. Do not take off all your clothes off the hanger and bring them in bins and then bring your hangers separately. Like, that's just going to take so much time having to put all the clothes on the hanger once you get to your move-in. So make sure everything that you're going to want to hang up is already on its hanger. And then normally what I do is just get a trash bag and then put all the clothes in there with the hanger on it. That way everything can stay together and doesn't get dirty. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that and then put those all in a large suitcase. That way all those clothes are ready to go. I also have like a random like miscellaneous things like all over the house that I need to remember to bring. Like I have like a reusable coffee cup that I need to bring, like perfumes, shampoos, like random things. And then of course makeup and toiletries, which I'm holding off on. I probably will pack most of it because for the next few days I'm not going to be wearing pretty much any makeup unless I film a video. But yeah, I'll probably do that as well. So I think right now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put all these clothes behind me packed away with those trash bags. Alright, so yeah, I put all the clothes in here into this large suitcase, and this is going to make it super easy. So once I get to my room, I just have to put all these 4 hangers up in my closet and then take off the trash bag, and that's it. I haven't shown you guys Macy today. Here she is, looking cute. Hi, little Macy. Alright, so this is now complete. So the next thing I think I want to tackle is all of my makeup and that whole drawer. So this is all pretty messy. I mean, I had it organized, which is pretty much organized, but a lot of my stuff is on my desk and from stuff that I use normally. So I mean, for the most part it's organized, but I don't want to take all of it because I don't wear makeup that often. So I just want to take stuff that I will use all the time and not overdo it on what I bring for makeup and all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that all in makeup bags and then keep that all together and just keep the stuff that I'll use within the next few days like in a separate bag on hand. Okay, so I got all of my makeup products, face products, body products all together. So I'm gonna put this on my smaller suitcase just so that way I make sure I keep it in the car and it doesn't get warm outside in the back of the truck. So yeah, I have brushes here, masks, some makeup products. This is skincare, body products. So this whole thing is makeup products, and I tried to not bring as much, but I couldn't resist like trying to decide what not to bring. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this all in a suitcase right now. All right, another thing that's super important to pack, and I highly recommend everyone pack this, is like a medicine kit. So bring like a kit of all medicines that you maybe will need throughout the year. So that way when you're actually sick at school, you don't have to leave your house to get medicine and you already have it on hand. I also got shower caddy, but so I also always get like cough drops. This year I got some hand sanitizer to keep in my room. So this is actually not medicine, but another hand sanitizer to keep with me on the go. Some allergy relief, more so in the spring. I get terrible allergies in Arizona, so I'm bringing that. Some Dayquil or NyQuil. Typically I always get the flu every year and always need these. Some ibuprofen and then some Pamprin. So always keep medicines with you. I normally had a like Tupperware container where I kept all my medicines in, and I have to look for it, put all this medicine in there so that way I'm all good to go at school. All right, so I'm also going to take a few handbags with me. So I have a few here, and then I have one I'm for sure going to take in the other room. So I think I'm only going to take this one, this small mini one, and then this one. So I'm going to take 3 bags and pack these. But yeah, this is all just the other stuff that I already have packed and ready to go that I got earlier this summer. So yeah, I've been keeping it all in this corner. And then I think the last thing I'm going to do today regarding packing is just throw a lot of my bedding in the wash, so that way I could take it with me and it'll be fresh. I'm only taking a few pillows, like throw pillows, and then my throw blanket. And then at school I already have my comforter and everything, and then I bought new sheets the other day, so I'm taking that with me. So yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do today as far as packing, and then I'll resume tomorrow with all the other little things, but I got like a lot of the main stuff out of the way. So yeah. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. So before I go do my skincare, I got reminded about my nails. So I've been doing gel for the past few weeks since I haven't been able to get my nails done, or I've been doing like press-on nails, but recently I've been doing gel and I've been loving them. So I just want to tell you that they're from Nail Addict, this gel polish company, and I've been loving them. The color that I'm wearing right now is in Secret Lover. They actually gave me a discount code for you guys to use to get 55% off your order in the month of August, which is such a good deal. So if you guys have been looking or in the market for getting some new gel nail polishes, I would recommend Nail Addict, and my code's Amanda55 to get 55% off your order in the month of August. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know in case you guys were already like in the market for new nail polishes anyway. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and do my skincare. It's only 5 o'clock, but tonight's Big Brother. If any of you guys are Big Brother fans, let me know because I'm obsessed. I'm such a huge fan of the show, and when I found out they were coming back this year with another season, because I wasn't sure because of the whole pandemic, I was so happy, and it was like one of the best news all quarantine apart from Taylor Swift's Folklore album. So I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get ready for bed early, that way I'm ready to go when it starts. I think it might start at 8, so in like 3 hours. So yeah, I wanted to like get ready for bed and watch some YouTube videos before I go and watch that. But yeah, just wanted to keep you guys updated. Alright, so I just had dinner and Big Brother starts in 30 minutes, so I'm gonna have some ice cream while I watch that. I'll show you which one it is because it's also from Daily Harvest, and it's the mint dark melty cacao chips. And here are all the ingredients, and it is 100% plant-based, so I'm super excited to try this. It looks so good, and again I have a code with them that I'll link down below if you guys are interested. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.